The barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections will push through as scheduled in October, despite the Supreme Court declaring unconstitutional the law that postponed it. The High Court said there was a grave abuse of discretion in enacting Republic Act 11935. It also said the law violated the freedom of suffrage because it failed to show that it followed the Due Process Clause of the Constitution. But the court recognized the need to push through with the elections this year. The Comelec says the ruling will not affect its preparations, which Chairman Garcia says is now at 95%.
Wala na makakapigil sa gagawin nating barangay and SK election no October 30, kaya nga lang po siyempre declared unconstitutional yung batas.
The court also ordered the next barangay and SK elections to be held on the first Monday of December 2025 instead of 2026. Because of this, the Comelec says it will be a challenge to prepare for both the midterm and local polls.
Isipin niyo po ngayong pangalan, naghahanda na kami sa national and local election ng 2025. Di dapat po early part of next year, naghahanda na rin kami para sa BSKE ng 2025 din.
The Comelec also pointed out those elected in October will only sit for about 2 years, less than the 3 mandated by law. President Bongbong Marcos signed the law postponing the polls October last year. Advocates of the measure then wanted funds for the elections realigned for COVID-19 response. Senate Committee on Electoral Reform's chairperson Amy Marcos says she respects the decision of the court, but maintains the reasons for postponement were valid. Senator Marcos filed Senate Bill 1195 seeking to extend the term of barangay and SK officials to 6 years. Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel welcomes the decision. Pimentel earlier said there was no valid reason for the postponement. He adds the ruling will prevent similar incidents which have undermined democratic processes. The Comelec believes the ruling will be a basis for future decisions involving postponement of elections. The local polls had been reset 4 times since 2016.
Baka po yung pagkakaroon ng pagpo-postpone ng mga eleksyon ng barangay and SK sa mga susunod, baka hindi na makonsider o talagang mabigat ang panuntunan. Nabanggit din po nung desisyon ng Korte Suprema yung patungkol sa paglilipat ng pondo. Ayun po, sabi ng Supreme Court ay that is unconstitutional.
The election period will officially start on August 28, as with the filing of the Certificate of Candidacy and the gun ban implementation. The barangay and SK elections will be held on October 30. Paige Javier, CNN Philippines.